Hi, this is Evil from IMVU. I'm making a quick video on how to bundle your outfits. So we're going to start by going to your catalog where the outfit is, and I'm going to right click on each piece and open link in a new tab if you're using Chrome. Open new link, open, open, open. Okay, so that's 5 pieces for that. Okay, so now we have to go to the IMVU product dummy bundle by IMVU. I'll put the link in the comments below so you can get to it. I right click and open a new tab, go to it, go to the bottom of the page here, make a new bundle, and when that opens, we need to now, this is kind of buggy because IMVU in its lovely splendor never seems to fix anything. So we have to find female bundle if that's what you are bundling. If it's a male bundle, I don't know how that one would work because I don't make male clothing, but I do know female clothing. You have to hit F and then just keep hitting F until you come up to female bundle. It's not even in alphabetical order. It's lovely. And there it is. Hit enter. Then we're going to name it Spring Green. Okay. And here's where you're going to want to put your image. You have to put the image or they won't let you do the bundle. So I'm going to go back to the game. Put my outfit on. I want to use, let's see. If I even have it links. Yeah, I should. Okay, where is it at? Ah, here we go. Put your bundle on. And I use Gaiazo to do all my bundle images because, or all my product images too, because you can see the whole thing. It's simple, it takes 5 minutes. And like that, spin around, and okay. Okay, now I'm going to get my link for the HTML right here. Go back to my bundle, type center, and then paste. Rate it. You can add a profit if you want, but make it small because IMVU doesn't give them deals for bundles, which is really stupid. Then you need to add a icon. So I usually just use one of the icons I made for the bundle. Usually the top is what I usually use. So go over to my icons and find that. There it is. Okay, female. Then go down here and type your tags or keywords. So spring, green mint outfit bundle silk sexy cute evil. Let's see, one more. Okay, flower. Okay, now click submit. And now there is the shell of your bundle, but we still have to add the product code keys or the product IDs. So we're going to go, don't click on publish yet. We're going to go down here to edit bundle. And here is where we're going to put the product IDs. So we're going to go to the first one. Just double click on that number. Copy, Control C. Go to your bundle. Paste, comma, space. Go to the next piece. Double click. Copy. Paste with Control V, comma, space. Next one. Copy. Paste, comma, space. And Copy. And last one. Paste. You don't have to put a comma on the last one. Then click submit. And bundle updated. So that's all good. Then click where it says return. Click here. And now you can go ahead and publish it. And wait for it to pass peer review. And that's all there is to it. That's all I got to do. Pretty easy, you know? So I hope this helped. And if it did, please add a like to this video and subscribe. Toodles!